Hello guys, today we are doing another part 3 pickleball. So make sure to watch until the end to involve the mysteries. Okay, so that's my friendly first. And so still watch to the end because you're gonna find something funny later, I think. Because I'm just making a video today, so let me just continue the video and let's keep watching. So this right here is the pickleball players. At ari, si tatay ko nga kalbo. So, thank you for watching and bye-bye. Have a great time. It was also kalbo. Even my So, thank you for watching. Bye, guys. And here's my father to say kalbo. Ready, set, go. Your kalbo. Okay, bye, guys.